So hello everyone, welcome to this amazing training today we'll be having. Okay, I'll be teaching us how to open OwoDaily. This is a platform where you can do jobs online. All right, so I'll be teaching us how to sign up on OwoDaily. Okay, it's where I do jobs as well. You can do job, you can also send people to do job for you. So welcome. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, this is UPL Teaching and Training Academy, and this is our Pela TMR Academy. So you are highly welcome. All right, so if you have not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe, put on the notification so that whenever I drop videos like this, you'll be in the know. All right, thank you guys, and class begins. So the first thing you have to do is to put in that URL or that my referral link you just got. When you put in that, it's going to open up for you this way. Okay, so it will say get started, sell, FAQ, deals, village, login, become a member. Because you're a brand new person, where you'll be going to, you'll be clicking on become a member. All right, so it says join our community of successful affiliate marketers, learn, promote, and earn commissions and rewards. Okay, it's a beautiful platform. I've earned serious money, up to if not 50 or 100 from this platform. I can't even remember, I've lost count. I joined them I think a year and we're going to a year and now ago. All right, or about a year or a year, and I can't really remember, but I've been here for a while. Okay, so you click on become a member. When you click on become a member, it says member registration. So yours is to fill this. Now, you have two ways to join this platform. The first way to join the platform is to just become a worker. All you do is to work. You're not doing anything more, and they will pay you for all the jobs you are doing. Then the second way is to be a worker and also to send people to work for you. So after you finish filling this, they're going to ask you the category you want to belong to, and it's not free, you have to pay. Okay, so your own is to choose the category. If you choose the worker, you will pay the amount you have to pay to become a member. If you choose to be a member and also to send people to work, you pay the amount, and it will also open up for you. So you can work and you can send people to work for you. So I'm not going to be filling this because I'm already a member. Okay, I'll just log in straight on. Then another benefit of OwoDaily is you can also sell on their platform. If you're someone that you have a digital products, you can also sell on their platform. They have a lot of things you can sell. If you watch here, you can see what is called village, and lots more. They have plenty things here. It's really a beautiful platform. All right. Then if you're using your link, anytime you want to send people to OwoDaily to register, make sure you give them your link. Now, if you use the small one, I think it used to be 3,000. I don't know how much it is now. The one you can only work. Anybody you send will get half of that money. Then if you're the one that register with 10,000 and above, because that's what I use in registering, then you will get about 3,000 and something, or 3,000 naira as your commission, as you bringing someone into their platform. Okay, so whatever country you're from, you can register here. They have all the currencies. The country you're from, they're going to pay you in that currency. That's what I think it should be. I'm not sure, but I think it should be that way. But I'm Nigerian, so they are paying me in naira. You can see what they said. OwoDaily is available in 13 countries, so I feel they will pay you in your currency. So feel free, fill this, and then when you're done, you make your payment and you're welcome to OwoDaily. If after doing it, nothing, just click on help. They have help, they have amazing people to attend to you. It's a very beautiful platform. So I'm going to just log into mine so I can show you guys around. Okay, so when you have become a member, this is how it's going to be. It's going to show you members login. So you put in your email, put in your password, and then you click on login. So I'm going to just put in my details and then we continue the class. Okay, and when you put in your email and your password, always remember to click I am not a robot. All right, so when it opens, this side is going to open up for you. You can see members area. So until you make their payment before you are able to get this kind of access. Okay, so you have complete micro jobs, high micro influencers, village discussion. They have a lot. Promote deals, become a seller, cashback deals, academy, deposit, withdraw. And OwoDaily pays you every Friday. They pay every Friday. So you must request your money before Friday. Okay, so that is how it is. Then you can click here. They have available jobs, finished jobs, my posted jobs, resubmit job requests. This is when you start working. Then you have deposit. This is where you pay in money. If you're someone that you want to send people to do jobs for you, you click on deposit and then you pay money into their account. Then withdraw is for you to withdraw money. Okay, so this is dashboard. They have promote deals, um deal campaign reports, invite. This one is when you want to invite people. So when you want to invite people or people you have invited, look at it. Invite to earn 2,500 bonus. Okay, they have reduced the amount. It used to be 3,000 naira. They have reduced the amount. So you can see my invite link. I have total invite earnings 52,500. So people that have invited 52,500. What I've claimed is 27,500. That's what I have claimed already. Okay, then pending earnings is 25,000 naira. So my total invite earning, people that I've invited, is 52,500. You can see how much I've earned here. This is just to invite people, not the jobs I have done. Jobs I have done is different. This is just to invite people. So I have already taken 27,500 from them and 25,000 is remaining. Those are the people that have not paid to join the platform. So this is the link. Yours is just to copy your link and then you give it to people, and people can um sign up and become a member. Okay, so this is the shorting one. This is the one you should take. You just click on it. Like as I have dropped it, anybody clicking my link now, automatically you're using my link to register, and I'll be getting 2,500 for it. All right, so that's the beauty of OwoDaily, and it's something that you will really really love. Okay, you're gonna love it. It's a platform that you can do a lot of things and make serious money. A lot of people have invited, they told me they have really made money and they all told me thank you. So I also send people to do jobs for me, and time to time I also do job here. So that is this platform. I want to wish everybody luck. I wish you good luck. Earn money. This is a job for you. So, and there is another thing you should know. The moment you start OwoDaily, don't just sleep on them. Make sure you are available, because the moment they drop jobs, the jobs go very fast. People are not sleeping on OwoDaily. People are making serious cash. So the moment you just come to OwoDaily, don't just register it and dump it. No, fastly always be on OwoDaily and you make serious money. And if you invite lots of people, imagine 2,500 and you're inviting how many people and they all sign up. Do you know how much you'll be making a day? At least minimum of 5,000 you can make a day. That is serious money. So I wish everybody good luck. Enjoy, and let's keep winning. Okay? So thank you guys. Bye.